Croquembouche is how you pronounce it. It literally translates into something that crunches or gives crunch in your mouth. It's a pastry made out of cream puff that's stuck together on a tower, usually in a shape of cone, but I've seen very recently in the shape of a square, a rectangle, or round, which are more challenging for me to make, but it's still doable. It usually is stuck together using sugar, melted sugar or caramel. Also, I think for me personally, it's something that's perfect for birthdays. It's a stunning debut cake. It's perfect for baptism as well, and it's a great alternative to a wedding cake. Croquembouche is notorious for being a challenging pastry to make. Yes, I agree, it's not the easiest one to make, but in this class, I will share with you lots of tips and tricks and this system that I've designed for you to be able to make this stunningly gorgeous dessert with ease. In this class, I will show you some problem-solving techniques that addresses the most common challenges when making a croquembouche. This class includes a timeline guide that will show you which recipes you can make ahead to help you organize your preparation. I've also included 5 unique recipes that are custom-made for a humid and tropical environment. And as a bonus, I will show you an easy way how to create your own croquembouche cone. I invite all of you to take on the challenge, of course with my guidance, in this croquembouche class only here at the Bailiwick Academy.